Hey guys, today I want to cook shrimp with tofu and mushroom. In China, we call it 虾仁豆腐煲. Yeah, so what I need is, of course, shrimp and tofu, mushroom, and I want to add some other vegetables like tomatoes and celery, green onion, ginger, chili. That's it. Now let's get everything ready to cook. Get the shrimp head off, but don't throw it away because we will need to use it later. And then get the shell off. Get rid of the shrimp sheet. Okay, now I'm going to seasoning the shrimp for a little bit. That's the cooking white pepper powder, just seasoning it for a little bit. Yeah, put it away, and then gonna cut the tofu. Done. Easy. Okay, now let's start cooking. Use high heat to warm the oil up. Put the tofu in. Fry tofu with medium heat. It may take a little while, so be patient. See, when it turns to brown, when it turns to brown, get it out. Now fry the ginger. We can turn the fire to high. Now we use the high heat to fry the shrimp head. Add some water. Cover it. Wait until it's boiling. And then, okay, let's get out of the shrimp head. We wanna use this soup later. This is kind of the soul of this dish. Now let me put everything in. Mushroom, some celery, shrimp, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, a little bit oyster sauce, and then green onion, garlic and chili. Then pour the soup, cover it. Okay, let's go. When it's boiling, give it a few minutes, and then see, it's almost done. We just need to add a little bit salt, mushroom bouillon. It's winter, so if you like to eat something warm, this is a very good choice. It's done.虾仁豆腐煲. Shrimp with tofu and mushroom.